As a beauty director, I try a ton of skincare, and these are some ingredients you should look for based on skincare concerns you have. So skin barrier and dryness, really important to good skin health. The thing you really want to look for is ceramides. Ceramides are like the cement that holds your skin cells together. It's essential. You gotta have ceramides. Look for them. Acne, blemishes, when it comes to these types of concerns, what you really want to look for is something like a BHA, a beta hydroxy acid, the most common being salicylic acid. And this is a great ingredient because it basically goes into the pore, it scoops out all that congestion, and it maintains healthy skin. Really look for those BHAs. So for brightening and dullness, I would definitely recommend something like vitamin C. That's a powerhouse antioxidant. It's really gonna help with resurfacing the skin so that you're bringing up that fresher, more glowing looking skin. Overall, just a wonderful ingredient. And lastly, for youthful looking skin and, minimizing of fine lines and wrinkles, definitely look for a retinol. This is the gold star standard ingredient. It does everything. It stimulates cellular turnover, which in the end minimizes those wrinkles, brightens the skin, helps combat acne, uneven skin tone. Really, it just does everything.